How to create Behance account. Hi everyone, in this video you would learn how you can create a Behance account. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end. The first step is to open your web browser just like I have done here. Now your web browser could be any one of your choice. It could be Brave, it could be Chrome, it could be Explorer. Just ensure that you've opened your web browser, and once you've done that, go to the search box, and in the search box type out behance.com. Right, once you've done that, click on the enter button or the search button, and then once you've done that, the Behance page would load and you'll be brought to the home page automatically, where you would see the Behance logo by the top left corner and some other tabs next to it. And then the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen, where you can see options like login, sign up, free trial. Now, since you don't have an account, you'll be clicking on sign up. Once you click on sign up, a box will be displayed asking you to sign in with your Google. This is if you have your Google account already linked to your web browser, all right? And then you can just click on continue as your name. And then once you click on it, it will load. And then once that's loaded, you'll be redirected to another page. So once you're on this page, you'll be asked to input some information about yourself, which include your first name, your last name, your date of month of birth. So you can just go ahead and select it, as well as the year. So just select it, for example, mine September. Then you just type out the year in here, and then if I want to be contacted via mail, I can just check this box. But if not, I'll just scroll down and then I'll click on create account, and then you wait patiently for it to load. Now once it has loaded, you will be taken to another page where you would see welcome address by the top right corner, and then as well as Behance account logo by the top left corner. And then you'll be asked to pick a topic. You can just pick a category, and then you can decide to see your custom feed if you want to. Alright, and then your custom food will be created. But that's just it, alright. As you can see, this is your account, and to manage your account, you can just go to the top right corner where you can see the welcome address, you can see the notification, you can see your account page where you see your profile, purchases, settings, and then you can see Adobe logo here. So this is basically how you can create a Behance account. So you can just go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.